at the pumps.
And those high gas prices mean the oil industry is booming. And while the national news is talking about a struggling economy, here in Houston, employers are struggling to find workers. 11 News reporter Kevin Reese shows us who's hiring and how much they're paying, and both those numbers are up there.
In a job market pummeling us with one bad report after another, spinning lathes and a little sarcasm are the only sounds you'll hear in Texas City.
I'm working my guys 50 to 60 hours a week to try to keep up with this horrible economy.
A&A machine has been grinding, welding, and cutting since 1957.
A little bit of everything for the petrochemical industry.
51 years later, there is no shortage of work, only a shortage of skilled workers. A&A has so much work, they're hunting for experienced machinists as far away as Chicago.
We need skilled craftsmen.
We have the pressure on the boiler.
The sounds of a so-called horrible economy,
Same way with the bottom pump,
are also echoing through the halls of the College of the Mainland. It's a class in process technology.
We're going to put all these components in, right?
A mix of lectures and hands-on experience.
Okay, have them shut the boiler down.
To get these students jobs as plant operators at local refineries.
Go ahead and shut the boiler down.
A 2-year associate's degree that can give someone like Chancia Caldwell
Yes, very good.
a big smile and a big starting salary, $60,000 plus overtime a year.
The need is very high, so the companies are desperate.
Some of Jerry Duncan's graduates are even earning 6 figures. The oil industry is booming, baby boomers are retiring, and the industry expects 50,000 jobs available in the next 5 years. Add up every community college program like this on the Gulf Coast, and there are only 5,000 students in that pipeline right now.
It's perfect.
That's what student Brian Robinson says about his timing and his odds.
I'm not real particular. The first one to cut me a paycheck is where I'll go.
And that paycheck should come right after graduation. This program places over 90% of its graduates with that first high-paying job.
That's pretty good for me. I mean, I've always worked for near minimum wage all through high school, so I'm pretty excited.
The thing it does change their life. You know, when they're going from not making much money to making a good chunk of money, it does change their life.
Oil-related businesses are hoping to change as many lives as they can and change them fast. A recent Rice University Ernst & Young study showed that 88% of top oil and gas companies are worried that a worker shortage will slow down growth. The message then in Texas City, at least, is that growth is happening now, and there are jobs to be had.
If you are a skilled craftsman, welder, or machinist, come see us.
And help keep the sounds of this horrible economy coming along. In Texas City, Kevin Reese, 11 News.
Right now, Houston leads all other major metropolitan areas in this country in job growth.